A 99-year-old woman is making her dream come true. She took her first flying lesson today in Torrance. Despite her age, Irene says she still feels young and full of life.
KTLA's photojournalist Phil Ige was there for her first lesson. Take a look.
I'm ready to go, so I'm very excited, and will be a thrill. I am going to fly my son-in-law's airplane. I'm 99 years old. It's been a desire of as long as I can remember. And I was also an airline stewardess. Whenever I went into the cockpit and I saw the pilots flying the plane, that was my desire. Since I'm getting older, my desire to learn to fly is very strong. And one day I would like to jump out of a plane. So that's my second desire. Maybe when I'm 100 years old, that will be my birthday gift.
I felt it was the right thing to do to make it happen. My name is Gary Palmer. I'm a pilot here at Torrance Airport. I'm her son-in-law. If she said she wanted to learn to fly, I felt that for sure there would be a time when she's going to be with me, we'll be in the plane, and I will give her a lesson. I think it's very inspiring. This is to help everyone understand you're not too old.
As people get older, they seem to sit back and let everyone else do all the exciting things like flying, and finally have that dream come true at 99 is really a big thrill. Not to give up too early and to do things that they dreamed about. Follow your dream and enjoy it.
That was Phil Ige. That's so good.
Never too young to start, I guess.
Yeah, and you know what I love is when people, no matter what age, they think, she said, when I turn 100. Yes. As opposed to, I'm not going to make it to 100. She's like, when I make it to 100. Yeah, you have to think that way.
Yeah, and she didn't say if I.
Yes.
She's like, when I. Yeah, that's awesome. And wow, she's brave. I wouldn't step in a plane.
Maybe we'll cover that when she jumps out of the plane.
Let's do it. I like that idea.